and the paranoia of his government. He's making a fool of himself globally. Once more, this is Njenje Media Channel. Welcome to the channel where we explore the truth behind the headlines. We say the things no other person say, we say it as it is. See how paranoid Buhari is making a fool of himself globally. Buhari is so paranoid that when he arrests someone, he has to come up with all kind of lies and propaganda to keep the person in detention because he is afraid of his own shadow. But the global community see him as lying paranoid tyrant, so they never take him serious. Yesterday, the American state issued a press conference with Sowore's wife, and you people can see how and what they think of Buhari. It is indeed a sad narration. Consider these facts. Buhari and his cabal of corrupt jesters went to kangaroo court to declare Nnamdi Kanu and IPOB terrorists. But what has been the reaction of the world since then? They just laughed at Buhari, knowing that there is no way IPOB is a terrorist organization, knowing that Buhari is a clown and a primitive jester. Kanu showed up in Israel and was granted sanctuary. Israel is the most anti-terror state in the world, yet they granted Kanu sanctuary because they saw Buhari and his filth cabal as lying clowns. While in Israel, Kanu applied for his British passport and returned to Britain. This is a country that is revoking citizenship of British-born ISIS terrorists implicated in the Syria conflict. The British government knew Kanu was facing trial in Nigeria. They knew he had been labelled a terrorist by Buhari clownish government, yet they let him return to British land and soil because they considered Buhari and his government to be the shameless lying clowns. Kanu has been travelling to the United States and around the civil world. The bottom line remains and is, no one takes Buhari's labelling of Kanu and IPOB as terrorist organization serious. They consider Buhari and his cabal of scumbags, primitive charlatans. That's what they are. Nigeria has an extradition treaty with United Kingdom, which they could have used to seek Kanu's reparation, but they didn't pursue that because they know they will lose woefully in any civilized court. No real terrorist can get sanctuary anywhere in the world. No real terrorist can get sanctuary anywhere. Real terrorists have no addresses because they are always in hiding. Abubakar Shakau, the leader of Boko Haram, cannot get sanctuary anywhere because he's a real terrorist. The world knows the truth. Just like Sowore's case, Buhari and his paranoid cabal can continue fooling themselves before the world. A shameless bunch of uncivilized mischief and misfits. Release Sowore and unban and unprescribe IPOB. This is once more Njenje Media Channel.